Once your GETTR account loads, press the Create button and access Studio. You'll see that Studio redirects you to the Studio homepage. Let's go over a brief overlay of our homepage here. Left-hand side will be our admin bar, where you'll have menu categories for your channel, as well as menu categories for the entire site. Top of the page would be your toolbar, where clicking on the channel drop-down menu allows you to create channel, create page, or toggle between any existing channels and pages you've already created. You'll also find your home channel here. You'll notice your home channel with the home icon. The toolbar also has the option to edit your channel, as well as stream.